gonna come out, is it?
Mm-mm. Look at that steam. What temperature are you at right now?
Over 200.
Yes, sir. Time is money, and money is time. And look, you're halfway done this room inside 6 minutes. And this is an automatic $40 if you're doing it the Johnny Johnson way. No problem. The whole job took us, what, 30, 32 minutes? When you finish, you figure you'll be another 10 minutes in here? Outstanding. This is what you're going to do in New York all day long. You okay?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out.
Oh, yep, do what you do. Now, you might have to turn it sideways to get in there. Mm-hmm. Just in there, do sideways. Outstanding. Look at that steam coming off there. That's why you want the heat saver hose sleeve. And then you see I got the wand sleeve too. The black that's on the wand there. He sells both of them. Heat saver. It really conserves the heat when you're not squeezing the trigger. It keeps the water hot in the line there because it's enclosed with his secret foam thing he has in there that really just keeps the hoses hot, keeps them warm for a period of time until you squeeze the trigger again. Don't worry, I got his number too. I got you covered. This is good stuff. Wait till you have to roll up the hoses and you just have to push a button. Oh man. Nothing easier than that at the end of a job when you're tired and want to drink your water, count your money, and deposit it in the bank. That's it. Or get to the next one, rather. Just like we getting ready. Get to the next one. Look at that. Man, that's beautiful. Ain't nobody going to be able to tell that you just starting out, man. Those guys that was talking trash yesterday, where they at? They ain't in this group no more, I'll tell you that. They might be in some other group talking trash instead of working. But that's all right. You doing great, man. Now I'm gonna move out the way because you want to make sure you get behind this door as much as you can, okay? All right, good deal.